Thinking about renovating your Wisconsin home before selling? It might be a financial trap. TV shows make it look easy. Spend $20,000, make $50,000, but in the real world, that math is a carefully edited illusion. Industry experts call it the ROI trap. For most Wisconsin sellers, major updates recoup only about 50 to 60% of their cost. If you spend $30,000 on a kitchen update, data shows it may only add about $12,000 to your home's actual appraisal value. Then there is commission creep. You are literally paying your agent a commission on the money you spent out of your own pocket to upgrade. Renovations take months. During that time, you are still paying holding costs, mortgage payments, utilities, and high Wisconsin property taxes. A 4-month contractor delay can easily cost you an extra $10,000 before you even put a for sale sign in the yard. That renovation cash could be your down payment on a new home or invested in your family's future instead of being tied up in a house you are leaving. There is a savvy alternative: sell 100% as is to fair deal homebuyers. You don't need to paint, fix a pipe, or update a single cabinet. We take on the renovation risk so you don't have to. Sell directly to us. No real estate agents means no 6% commission fees eating away at your equity. We can close in as little as 7 to 14 days, stopping your mortgage and tax payments in their tracks. Don't fall for the HGTV myth. Let us handle the heavy lifting so you can keep your peace of mind and your cash. Contact Fair Deal Home Buyers today for a free, no-obligation cash offer. 414-409-8251.